You a buttercup. No. I'll use some. Fish have very turquoise. Go fish. Yes, I got a pill. What is it? Pure turquoise. See? Mine. Fish, have you any hat pink? No. Yes, there you go, fish. Of course, I got to shuffle my cards in the pile. No, you go fish because you asked me, so you go fish. Because I got a hot pick and you said no, so you say go fish to me. Go fish. Fish, have many apricots. Go fish. Yeah, you can't guess mine. But fish, have you any turquoise? No, I already used it.